Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Marin Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to plug in your phone into Apple CarPlay in your 2020 Acura ILX. So, in order to access this feature, we must first go to the center console. And once you get to the center console, what we're going to do is you're going to plug in your iPhone charger into this USB plug right here. And once you do that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna connect this wire into your charger port. And once you do that, it should pop up in the screen your Apple CarPlay. And if you would like to go back to the actual Acura screen, all you're gonna do is scroll counterclockwise until you see these squares right here, and then clockwise to go to the Acura app, and it will lead you back to the regular Acura mode. And if you would like to go back to Apple CarPlay, just press on the smartphone button right here and you're back at it again. And yeah, that'll be it for this tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Marin Acura, and thank you guys for watching.